Hello everyone. Today we're going to take a brief look at the Import PMI tool inside of Geomagic Control X. Product and manufacturing information, also known as PMI, is used to convey information of the design of the product's components for manufacturing. This includes data such as geometric dimensioning and tolerancing, 3D annotation and dimensions, surface finish, and material specifications. CAD applications may also refer to PMI as MBD, or model-based definition. Let's take a look. So here we're looking at this MBD 3D model in SOLIDWORKS. It has datums, GD&T, and a few dimensions applied. The key benefits of implementing MBD are reduced manufacturing errors. 3D data is clearer than 2D drawings, leading to fewer misinterpretations. Faster communication speeds up the sharing of the data with production and suppliers. Lower costs, reducing scrap and rework by providing unambiguous 3D detailed information. The context here is that this 3D information essentially becomes the inspection plan in Control X without the need to manually enter these items. So here we are in Control X. We have a scan loaded, the measured data. You can see it here on the tree. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the menu and go to the File, Import PMI. And we're going to pick this SOLIDWORKS part that has MBD. We're going to open that up and it comes in, and we're going to confirm that by clicking accepting the PMI Wizard. Next we're going to go to do an alignment. First we're going to do an initial alignment to get the data close, and then we're going to run a datum alignment. So we're going to pick basically the face here at the bottom is datum A, the front face is datum B, and the side face here is datum C. Go ahead and accept that. And next you can see here we're going to basically refresh this. So this is going to actually do the calculations. Right now it says no result. So after we run that, we can see here all the dimensions and GD&T has been solved, and we get the results here. We're going to go to a front view and basically kind of arrange these dimensions and GD&T so we can get a better view. And you can also see here that basically this is kind of the front view that we're looking at right now, and the wizard will split these up into groups based on how they were calculated. So we'll go to a top view now, and we can see that that's the top view with the annotations. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.